This is our unboxing of the Tesla Powerwall 2. We can't wait to have this thing set up. So Gabby and I are gonna unbox this thing and we're gonna see how it goes. Gabby, you pumped for this or what?
I'm so ready. We've been waiting so long for this moment.
How many customers ask about this on a daily basis?
Every single customer I talk to wants a Tesla Powerwall, and now we have it.
So here it goes. Gabby and myself are gonna unbox this thing. We'll see the way it looks.
Oh, this is the wall mount part, right?
That's the bracket for the wall, yeah.
You're gonna keep it in the box?
Yeah.
Right, there we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, guys.
There she is.
A beauty.
There she is. Gab, how do you feel about it?
I couldn't be more excited right now. Look at this thing. This is a monster.
Like snow.
Is that an oopsie right there? What is that?
I think it's plastic. It
That
has
looks
it
like
over
a
it.
cover.
Flower.
Yeah.
So this thing is white. It looks like a pearl. All right, let's take it out. Yeah, check out the side of this thing. It's got all the heat sinks in there, the cooling units, the backside mounted to the wall or to the basement, garage, whatever we're doing. Here's the on-off switch over here. It smells fresh.
Smells like Tesla.
Bring it in the showroom? Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, we're super pumped. We just unboxed the Tesla Powerwall 2. It just got delivered here today. And this thing is pretty sweet looking. We've installed like 5 Sonins in the past, and now to finally get one of these, I know Ryan was pretty pumped about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So just one Powerwall has 13.5 kilowatt hours worth of potential energy. We can stack up to 10 of these in one house. So really expanding what your solar can do for you.
So with this battery and our SunPower Equinox system, it's pretty much the only system that can run in full off-grid mode, meaning power's out, no grid connectivity, off the solar from your roof, and this battery you could run your essential loads in your home. So what we do is when we come out, we do a load analysis, we see what those essential loads are, the fridge, the well pump, the heating system, and then we could put those on its own circuit where power goes down and you're fully operational with solar and the Powerwall too. Anything else you'd add to it or not?
Yeah, just the ability to create your own microgrid. You know, create that 240 volt, be able to self-sustain yourself. I think it's everybody's dream to be able to disconnect themselves from the grid, and this unit enables people to do so.
So with this Tesla Powerwall 2, as well as our SunPower X Series 350 all black behind it, that's pretty much the most chic system you can get. You can't get a prettier system than the 350 all black module, as well as the Tesla Powerwall 2. So when that customer is looking for aesthetics and hiding it and real streamline on the roof, this is what we suggest, the Powerwall as well as the 350 all black. Right now, since Tesla's a little behind on manufacturing and all of the batteries are mostly getting poured into the Model 3 right now, what we're doing is installing all of our systems, our Equinox systems, so they're battery ready. So what we're doing is we're installing the solar first, and then right when we get availability of these guys, then we'll come to your house and install the Powerwall too. So if you're interested, give us a call or find us online at buysolarlocal.com.